Hello everyone, welcome you all to the online class of mathematics class 5th. Hope you all are fine. Okay, students? So before starting our lecture, please everyone open your notebook and keep pen or pencil with you. So let's start. Today we are going to learn about some shapes and angles. Okay? Class 5th mathematics second chapter. The name of chapter is shapes and angles. As we know, we have already learned about the different types of shape. Correct students? I will show you some shape. Can you tell me just the name of the shape? Okay, tell me, what shape is it? Yes, it is a rectangle. Very good. Then next, circle. Good. What shape it is? Yes, triangle. And what is this students? Square. Very good. So we have already learned about the different types of shape, and we also learn about the properties of shape. Correct? So next, in this session we are going to learn about the shape. So let's start our chapter. Students, can you see here some pictures? Yes. There are two girls. They both are something doing. Correct? Have you seen over here? Yes. Can you tell me what they are doing? Yes, students. One more girl is there. Maybe just imagine about the picture. Maybe she is giving some instruction. They are doing some work. What is there in their hands? Can you guess? Yes? Okay. Don't worry students. We will start. In that you will got all the answers of the questions. Let's start. Rohini and Mohini are twin sisters. Okay student, understood? Who are they? They both are the twin sister. And what is the name? She is Rohini and Mohini. Okay, Rohini and Mohini, they both are twin sister. After that, they love doing the same things. What they doing? They love doing the same thing. Same thing means same work. You can say that they love doing the same work. One day when they were making shapes with what? Matchsticks. So do you understand what is there in their hand? They are having some matchsticks, and with the help of matchsticks what they are doing? Yes, they are making shapes. One day the both sisters were making the shape with matchsticks. Then this you understand. Next, Shilpa gave them a challenge. So who is Shilpa? Students, who is Shilpa? Yes, she is Shilpa. And the Shilpa is gave one challenge to the both sisters. Correct? She gave one challenge. And what is the challenge? Let's see. Shilpa said, Rohini will make a shape. She is Rohini. Rohini will make a shape. Mohini has to make the same. Mohini also has to make the same shape, but the challenge is what? What Shilpa gave a challenge? Without looking at it. Okay student? Understood? Rohini will make a shape. Same shape Mohini also has to make. But the condition is what? Condition is that without looking at it. Without looking at Rohini, Mohini also has to make a same shape. But she can ask her questions. She can't look, she can't see, Mohini can't see what Rohini is going to do. But with the help of questions, she can ask a question to Rohini. Mohini will ask the question. Okay. After that Mohini said, oh, that is so simple. Mohini don't have any problem. She said, okay, no problem. We will make a same shape. Okay. They start doing things. They start making shape. Okay. After that, Rohini made this shape. What Rohini made? Rohini made this shape. Okay, student. So, can you guess? Can you tell me how many sides are there? We already learned, na? In the square, triangle, rectangle. We already have learned the properties. Square has how many sides? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Triangle has how many sides? Triangle has 1, 2, 3. Square has same 1, 2, 3, 4. And what about circle? Circle don't have any sides. Correct? So this property we have already learned. Like that, can you tell me how many sides are there? Okay, let's start. Then Rohini's shape is ready. Now Mohini can ask some questions, na? So Mohini started to asking a question. Mohini asked, is it a closed shape or an open shape? What Mohini asked? Mohini asked to Rohini that the shape that you made, is it a closed or open? Student, tell me the answer. Is it closed or open? We already have learned in class 3. Correct? So, what is the answer? Yes, closed shape. Very good. Rohini said it is closed shape. Correct? Then, the next question that Mohini asked. Mohini asked, how many sides are there? How many sides are there in this shape? Can you tell me, the students? Yes. How many sides are there? Tell me. 1, 2. Correct? 1. एक second, students. Sorry for that. Maybe our PC. Okay. It's 1. Side number 1. Then 2. 3, 4, 5 and 6. We'll start again. Maybe you're getting confusion. Okay. We'll start to counting the sides. How many sides are there? Side number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Very good. So, Rohini said it has 6 sides. Correct? So, Mohini got the answer that the shape is a close and the shape has how many sides? 6 sides. So, after imagination, Mohini made this shape. Mohini made this shape. Now, you give me the answers. Is it a closed shape, students? Is it closed shape? Tell me the answer. Yes. Correct? It is closed shape. Correct? Then the next question. एक second, students. 1 minute. Then, does it have? Our next question is, does it have 6 sides? How many sides are there, student? Just count. Does it have a 6 side? Yes. Same answer. It has 6 sides. Okay. But it is not the same. As one made by Rohini. Can you see, students? Is it the same shape that Rohini made? Mohini's and Mohini's shape is same. You can see the both shape same. No, correct. but it is not the same as the one made by Rohini. Correct? So, Mohini try again. After that, Mohini try again because Mohini's shape and Rohini's shape is not same. So, after that, she try again one more time. Again, she took 6 matchsticks because they are making with the help of matchsticks, na? So, Mohini take again 6 matchsticks and she made one shape, that is closed shape. Okay. Now, this is what she made. Now, she made one more shape. Again, students, tell me. Again, tell me. Is it same with Rohini? Is it same with Rohini? Okay. Before that, give me the answer of some question. Is it a closed shape with the 6 sides? Can you tell me? Closed shape. Correct. With the 6 sides? Yes. Very good. Now tell me, is it the same as the one made by Rohini? Is it same made by Rohini? No. Correct. It is not same like Rohini. Now, next, is there some way to say in what ways these shapes are different? Is there some way to say in what ways these shapes are different? Yes, any way? Students? Okay. After that, Mohini tried again and again. So many times Mohini tried but got a different shape. But she got a different shape. She used 6 matchsticks, she made a closed shape. So many times she tried, but what she got? She got a different shape, not same as Rohini. So now students, I want to give one activity, okay, that you have to do in your notebook. Right now, I will give 2 minutes, okay. Now gaze and make, just guess what Mohini made, okay. Make a 2 or more shapes Mohini could have made. So students, here you have to make 2 more shapes like Mohini, maybe like your imagination. You have to take again 6 matchsticks and the shape should be closed. So these 2 or more than 2 shapes that you have to do at your home. Okay students, this is your homework. So this activity you have to do. I hope you will enjoy this activity because it is so simple. You just have to use the 6 matchsticks. You can use by using matchstick or roughly you can draw in your notebook. Okay, at least you draw 2. If you are drawing more than 2 shapes, then it's well and good. Okay. So next, Mohini is now trying and asks Shilpa. Now Mohini don't have any option. She tried so many times, but she fails in the shape. Now she asked Shilpa what to do. After that, Shilpa said, if you ask for the angles that the matchsticks made at the corners, you can do it. Now here we got a new word. What is the word? The word is angle. Okay. So we come to our second point, that is angle. What Shilpa said, if you ask about the angle that the matchstick made at the corners, maybe you can do it. Okay. After that Mohini said, oh, so let's look for the angles. Okay. Students, now I want to explain something about angles. Okay. So now, supposed to be this is about shape, the shape done. Now I want to explain about some angles. We have a different kinds of angles. First name of angle is, first angle is right angle. Okay. The right angle is of 90 degree. Okay. 90 degree. I will show you the right angle is like to be straight 90 degree. So this is right angle. Right angle means 90 degree. Okay student, this is about first. We are going to learn something about angles. The first angle is right angle, okay, which is of 90 degree. Then the second angle is acute angle. The name of second angle is acute angle, and the acute angle is less than 90 degree. Okay student, the acute angle is less than 90 degree. I will show you with the help of shape. Acute angle, it may be less than 90 degree means the measure of acute angle is, maybe it comes from in this inside 90 degree. Less than 90 degree means it may be 70 degree, 80 degree, correct, 60 degree, 50 degree, correct. So it is, acute angle is less than 90 degree. Okay students, acute angle is less than 90 degree. Then come to our next angle. Right angle done, acute angle done. The next angle is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Okay. Obtuse angle is more than 90 degree. More than 90 degree. We will draw here some obtuse angle like this. Okay. This is what our obtuse angle means. 100 degree, it could be 100, 110, 120, 30. Okay, like that it's supposed to be 120 degree. It is called as obtuse angle. After obtuse angle, we have one more angle. The name of angle is straight angle. Straight angle. Straight angle means the straight angle is 180 degree. Okay, you can see the straight angle like this here. In this chapter we don't have the straight angle. Also we have one more angle that is called as the reflex angle. Okay, reflex angle means it is more than 180 degree. More than 180 degree means it could be a like, I will show you, wait a minute. Supposed to be okay, this is nothing but our reflex angle, which is greater than, more than 180 degree. So in this chapter we are not going to look about more about straight angle and reflex angle, but this angle, right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle should be on. Okay student, so here we have a different angle. Understood? So come to our topic. Below that, look at the angles marked in this shape. Can you see the difference? See, we have some shapes that this shape was made by Rohini and this was of Mohini. So we can see here the different types of angles, right? So look at the angle marked in this shape. So can you see the difference? Correct? Can you see the difference? If we see here, this angle, the measure of this angle and this angle is different. Like that, this is this and this. Some angles are small, some angles are big, some are biggest. Correct? Big, bigger, biggest. Like that. The measure of all angles is not same. They are different. Okay. See how the mastics make a small angles. Maybe like this. Small angle. Correct? Here we have a small angles. Then big angles like this. And the bigger angle. This is a bigger angle. Correct? Here we have a bigger angle. So with the help of mastic made some small angle, then bigger, and then last is biggest. Wow! When the angle changes the shape, when the angle changes, the shape changes so much. Who said? That Rohini said, when the angle changes, the angle that made by mastic is changed, then obviously the shape also change. Correct? The shape changes so much. Now we have some questions of practice time. Okay students? Now practice time. Look at the shape, this, and answer. So can you write the answer in your notebook? We will just read. You have to write the answer. Means this is also you. Okay. So this work you have to do at your home. Look at the shape and answer. The angle marked in dot color is the biggest angle. Can you see the shape? And answer this question. Which angle is the biggest angle? Of which color? Here we can see yellow color, then this is white color, black. So tell me, which angle is the biggest angle? Yes, correct, this one. The black color is the biggest angle. Come to next point. Next question. Are the angle marked with yellow is equal? This and this. Are the angle marked with yellow color? You can see the yellow color angle? Yes. Are the angles marked with yellow is equal? Yes, it is equal. If you can see, answer is yes. Are the angle marked with the green is equal? Marked with green color? Here, see, we have downside we have a shape. Are the angle marked with yellow? This and this is equal? Yes. Then are the angle marked with the green? If we can see the green color angle is here and here. Yes. Then the both angles, are the angle marked with the green is equal? Correct. Same. Are the angle marked with blue? See blue color angle. Here also we have a blue color. This is and this. If we see the shape is same. But one shape is small in size and another is big in size. Correct? So the angles marked with blue, green and yellow both are equal. Okay students? Now next. Question number 3. For the different angles, mark in 4 colors. For 4 different angles, mark in 4 colors. Can you find the other angles which are the same as one marked in red? Mark them in red. Do this for other colors. Now we have again question number 3. We have some shape and they shows the 4 different color angles. Green color we have, red color, yellow color and black color. Okay. So 4 different angles are marked in the 4 colors. Can you find the other angles? Supposed to be here green color angle we have. Okay. So can you find one more green color? Yes. The green color should be here. Students, you have to do in your notebook. Okay. You have to draw. The green color should be here. Then the red one is here. Yellow, if we can see, then yellow one, yes, correct, downside, here yellow. Then the black, correct, black color you will show here. Understood, students? So you can show here the different, that 4 different color angles. So come to the next point, question number 4. How many different shapes can you make by changing the angle between the mastic in each of these? Just try. By using a different number, here you have to make a different shape by using the matchsticks. So can you make? How many different shapes can you make? Yes, if you can take a 4 matchstick, you can make square. Correct? What shape it is? The name of shape is square because it has a 4 side, 1, 2, 3 and 4. By using 4 matchsticks, you can make square. Then by using 8 matchsticks, you can make octagon. Again by using 5 matchsticks, you can make pentagon. Like this, by using 6 matchsticks, you can make hexagon. By using 7 matchsticks, 10 matchsticks. Correct? So how many different shapes can you make? Yes, here you just change the angle and by using matchsticks you can make this. Now the students, maybe you have a lots of time, so you can make at home. Everyone, you have a matchsticks, correct? Take a one board, take one card sheet paper, okay, or in notebook also. You can make a notebook also, take some matchsticks and by using matchstick just paste your matchsticks in your notebook, okay, and make these different types of shapes by changing the angles, okay. Now the favorite activity, that is matchsticks puzzles. Maybe all students like, they love puzzles. So here we have a puzzles that you have to do. Okay, what is our first puzzle? This puzzle you have to solve with the help of matchsticks. The first number puzzle is make 8 triangles by using 6 matchsticks. Can you make, students? Okay, I will give you 2 minutes. You just draw in your notebook. I will wait for you only for 2 minutes, okay? You have to take only 6 matchsticks and by using 6 matchsticks, you have to make how many triangles? Correct, 8 triangles. So start to do the activity. 6 matchsticks with 8 triangles. Done, students? Don't look over here. Done? Okay, I will help you. Some students good, some students are doing very good. So I will take here matchsticks by different color, then it will be easy for you. Matchstick number 1, then second matchstick, third one. Okay, how many matchsticks? 6. Very good. 6 matchsticks you have to do. So 3 matchsticks are over. Then the fourth matchstick number 4. Then this fourth one over. Okay. Then fifth, and the last one is what? 6th number. Very good. Student, just check your answer. I am using that 6 matchsticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct? And by using 4 matchsticks, what is our puzzle? You have to make 8 triangle. So just check your triangle. Triangle number 1. Triangle number 1. Triangle number 2, 3. This one is 4. This one is 5th. Then sorry. 1, second number triangle, third number, fourth number, fifth number, correct? This whole one is 6, this is 7, and this one is 8. Correct, students? By using 6 matchsticks, we make 8 triangles. Correct? Yes, you can do in your notebook. Then second and third puzzle. It's a homework. It's so simple. Okay? If you can't, then I will show you. Our second puzzle is take 8 matchsticks and make a fish like this. Like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to use 8 matchsticks and make a fish like this. Now pick up any 3 matchsticks. From that, you have to pick any 3 matchsticks and put them in such a way that the fish now starts swimming in the opposite direction. Okay? Understood? You have to put only 3, any 3 matchsticks and pick up any 3 matchsticks from that 8, and you have to put, how you have to put them in such a way that the fish now starts swimming in opposite direction. Can do it, students? Yes. Do it at home. Otherwise, I will show you. You just try and show me. I will check your notebook, students. When our school is going to reopen on the first day only, I am going to check your all homework, all the activities and the puzzles. Okay? So, you have to do at your home. Now, the next puzzle is use a 10 matchsticks. By using 10 matchsticks, make this shape. How many matchsticks are there? Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, using the 10 matchsticks, make this shape. Then, after making, again, here also you have to pick any 5 matchsticks and put them in such a way that you get the shape of house. What shape you want over here? The shape of house. And here what you have to do? Here what you have to make? The fish now starts swimming. And here you have to make house. Understood, students? So, this puzzle you have to solve at your home. Okay? Now come to our next point. Our next point is angle tester. What is our point? Angle tester. So, students, you can see over here we have one geometrical shape of, or we can say that we have one instrument that we can see in our geometry box. Correct? What is called? What is the name of this? Yes, can you tell me, students? No idea? Okay. This is called as, it is divisor. Divider. What it called? It is called divider. Can you tell me what is the use of divider? Divider is used, divider have an angles, okay, that you can use to measure the angle. Okay, to measure the angle, or you can use it for making the angle. Okay. Now here again one more conversations we have. Shilpa is asking, how do we make equal angles? Let us make an angle tester. So here she made one angle tester. How can she make? What they said? Cut a 2 strips from cardboard sheet. This activity also here you have to do at your home. You have to make an angle tester. How you are going to make? Just cut two strips from a cardboard sheet and fix them with the drawing pin, okay, such that both strips can move around easily. Now see, here they shown. Take a two strip, strip number 1, strip number 2, and just pin it, okay, just pin it over here by using drawing pin. This is the angle tester, okay. It's also called as divider. I will show you one image of this, correct. This is the 2 and just pin it over here. This is called as divider, okay student. Now next, Rohini and Mohini went all around with the angle tester. She made angle tester. They both made angle tester, and they just went all around with the angle tester for what? To look for different angles in their classes, to just see the different angles. So Rohini tested the angle of the math book and pencil box. Look at the tester. You can see, look at the tester. It has opened like the letter L. You can open it, correct? And when you open, it just look like the letter L. So this angle is what? We have already learned when we start our topic angle. That time I show you different types of angles. The first one, what was that? Correct, like this only, na students? Yes. So this is right angle. What is this? This is right angle. We write it as L. Come to next point. Go around with your tester and draw here those things in which the tester open like the letter L. Now you all students at your home, you have to made a tester, correct, with the help of two cardboard sheet. Just pin it, and after that you just go around in your home or in your room and just test the things. And here you have to mention, you have to draw, or you can write the name also, name of those things in which the tester opens like the letter L. It means here you have to make a right angle. On which things it will make a right angle? Like she gave one picture. When she opened the angle tester like the letter L. First one she gave window, like that. You just draw the image, or you can write the name of the things also, right? Now again we have a practice time. Now here we have some pictures. They show you the angles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So look at the angles in the picture and fill the table. Now the first angle, they already give the answer. This angle is less than the right angle, correct? It is not an accurate right angle, not a right angle. This is right angle. It is a less than the right angle, and this is greater than right angle, okay? Means greater than 90 degree. So tell me, here also we have one more angle. So what is the answer? This angle shows right angle, less than right angle, or more than right angle? If you see carefully, it shows L, correct? Right students? It shows L, then it is right angle. Next one, this angle, this is, again if we see carefully, this angle also shows right angle, it shows L. See students, the standing line, sleeping line. I will help you like our nursery students, how they explain. Yes, it shows L, means it is the right angle. Then this angle, this means from the ear and then outside of 90 degree, it means more than right angle. And this one is again this and this, if you see carefully, it also show more than right angle. Okay student, so hope you understand about the angles, correct, different types of angles. You can solve these puzzles, angles and the shape. Now it is time to stop over here. Okay students, we will continue next topic, the remaining topic, in the next session. Till that, take care, stay at home and be happy. Okay student, bye, take care.